Welcome back to Deuce My Camper's Diecast Racing and Sometimes Fish. Today, we're going to take a closer look at this Johnny Lightning Classic Gold Collection 1972 Ford Maverick. (2016). Alright, let's look at this guy. Slicey dicey there. Trying not to take my finger off. These are always a little bit easier if you've got a nice fresh razor blade handy. And it's usually better if you use both hands, but if I'm being lazy and I go upstairs to get the tripod, we're doing this all one-handed today. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Black interior. Nice detail on the tail lights and the plate. Can't really read that, but I'm sure if I busted out the magnifying glass I could. Metal base, metal body, and I'm pretty sure, oh, it's got some kind of lights under there. That's cool. Pretty sturdy. Rolls good right off the edge of the tray there. And, yep, there we go. Closer look at that engine detail behind that opening hood. Okay. There you go. 1972 Ford Maverick. Free at last. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.